أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I'm Saddam Hussain, Innovation Science and Technology University from Bangladesh. Previous tutorial I have introduced you about variables user input. In this tutorial I will introduce you about conditional logic and loops. At first I will explain about operators. Operators mean it will operate different type of operation with operand. A different type of operation means AND operation, NOT operation, OR operation. There are different type of operators: logical operators, assignment operator, unary operator, conditional or relational operator. Logical operator. Sometimes we need check if all event become true, then next step will execute. At this moment we will use AND operator. Sometimes we'll need if one event occur, then among one more event, then next step will execute. At this moment we will use OR operator. If the event not occur, then use NOT operator. Here example, two event. First event true, second event false. If one event true, then the result will next step will execute. Means result true. Here true or false. If we compare with addition operation, then it will become 1 plus 0. The result will 1, means result will true. The output is true. Another example, first event false, second event true. If we compare with multiply operation, then the result will false means 0, true means 1. If we multiply 0 and 1, the result will 0, means the output will false. Assignment operator, sometimes we will need to assign value. To assign value, we use equal operator. If we want to add value with previous result, then we will use plus equal operator. If we subtract from previous result, then we will use minus equal operator. If you multiply to previous result, then you use multiply equal operator. Unary operator. This operator used for add or increase value. Decrement operator used for decrement value. Conditional or relational operator. Sometimes we have to check if the value become less than or equal, then next step will execute. At this moment we will use different conditional operator: greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. Here one example box. we can we can complete it by different type of operator. First example, a value number is -1. We'll check with number is less than 0. The result -1 is less than 0. Result will true. Again check -1 is greater sorry mistake, -1 is less than -1 is greater than 0. No, false. Another example, we can compare -1 is less than 10. Yes, the result will true. Another example, we can compare -1 is greater than 0. No, first result will false. FALS false. Second part, -1 is less than 10. True. The result will 0 and 1. If we multiply, the result will false. Another example, -1 greater than 0. No. If we do not operation, the result will true. True. -1 less than 10. Yes, true. The result will be true. Another example, number -1 is greater than 0. False. False. -1 less than 10. True. Result true. Because here one event is true, always the result is true. We can fill other field according to operators rules. Another most important topic, statement. In Java programming, statement is very important. There are two type of statement. First statement is simple statement. Second, compound statement. Simple statement means here will one expression. In compound statement, here will uh, one more expression included in second bracket. We can categorize all statement into two parts. First, conditional control statement. Second, loop control statement. In conditional control statement, use if statement, if else statement, if else statement, switch. In uh, loop control statement, use for loop, while loop, do while loop. Here example, if statement. If condition is true, then the statement will execute. One example, if number module 2 equal 0, then this statement will execute number is even. If else, if first condition true, then statement will execute. If first condition is not true, then other statement will execute. One example, if number module 2 equal 0, then print then number is even. This statement will execute. If the number is not module 2 equal 0, then this statement will execute. Means the number is odd. Multiple condition. Sometimes we need to check two more condition check. If first condition maintained, then first statement will execute. If first condition do not maintain, then second condition will check. If second condition will not true, then third condition will check. If third condition not true, fourth condition will check. If no condition will not true, then finally else condition will execute. Here an example, if number equal 0, then the number is 0. First condition will execute. If number is module equal 0, then this statement will execute. Otherwise, this statement will execute. Here important things, if first statement is true, then second and third statement will never execute. Another important statement is switch. In switch, first have to take input. Here count value 3. If it will import in switch count and check. Here two case. First case, if the value becomes 0, then this statement will execute. If the value become 1, this statement will execute. Otherwise, default statement will execute. Here one important things, if first statement is true, then this line will print and break statement will execute. As a result, second and third case will not test. Another category, loop control statement. There are different type of loop control statement: for loop, while loop, do while loop. First, while loop. In while loop, this statement I use when we need we need to uh, we need to check a event repeatedly. In for loop, it has it have three part. First, initialization, second, condition, third, increment or decrement. Initialization. First, we will initialize the variable value, then we'll check. Here, First I values 0 and check is 0 is less than 8. Yes, this line will execute. And I plus plus means here I increment 1. Then the value become 0 plus 1 means 1. Again check condition 1 is less than 8. Yes. Again this line will execute and the value I will increment 1 and the value will become 1 plus 1 2. Again check. Thus 8 times will execute this statement. After when the value become I 9, check the condition is not true, the loop will exit. First, when first condition true, then print out 0. Similarly, only increase the I value and print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another loop control statement is for loop. In for loop, it has also three parts. First, initialization. Second, condition. Third, increment or decrement. First, initialization. I equal 0 and check 0 is less than or equal 8. Yes, print this line. And the value of I will increase 1, become 0 plus 1 equal 1. Again check condition true, this line will execute. It will occur 9 times. First time print 0, similarly 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here will 8 because here I used I less than or equal break statement. Sometime we need to use break statement. If I equal 5, then the loop will execute. It will not print next step. Means first step I equal 1, I not equal 1 equal not 5. This statement will execute. I will increase will 2, 2 not equal 5, then 2 will print. Similarly 3 will print, 4 will print. When I will become 5, 5 equal 5, then break statement will occur and next line will not execute. Loop also will exit. Another important statement is continue. Here continue statement is used when skip the rest of the loop. Here if I equal 5, I equal 5, then next line, next step will not execute, but other term will execute. Here I equal 1, not true, this statement execute. 2, 3, 4, this statement will execute when 5, then next statement will not execute. It is totally opposite to break statement. Thanks for watching my video.